In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Fallout 4 crashing on the Xbox Series S. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly address issues related to Fallout 4 crashing on the Xbox Series S. First, starting with some basic troubleshooting. So you can try power cycling your console. This might seem simple and nonsensical, however, a quick power cycle can clear temporary files and refresh the system. So turn off your Xbox Series S completely, unplug it for a few minutes, and then plug it back in and restart. By doing this, like I said, you will be able to free up clogged up memory and completely close down any applications that are running on the background. Next thing to do is to check for updates. Check for updates on both your Xbox system software and also Fallout 4 itself, because if you are running an outdated version of either, it could mean that you will be facing issues. Always keep the game and the console up to date. Afterwards, clear the game's reserved space. Sometimes this can resolve issues with corrupted data, so launch the game, go into the dashboard, and without quitting it, go to My Games and Apps, Fallout 4, press the Options button, and then select Manage Game and Add-ons. Select Saved Data Reserved Space, and you will be able to delete this reserved storage space for Fallout 4. Restart your console and try launching it again. Now, besides this, there's not much that you can do. Like I said, the console versions of Fallout 4 are not entirely modifiable, and because of this, there's not much that you can tweak in the way of settings inside of the game. It mostly comes down to always keeping your console and the game up to date, making sure that it has enough storage space, and if all else fails, you can consider reinstalling the game altogether, because if you had a bad installation, or if you have a save file or the game with corrupted files, it can help address this. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Fallout 4 crashing on the Xbox Series S. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.